How to delete Google Voice account. First of all, open the app on your device. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner to bring up the side menu, and from there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account section and tap on the three dots next to your Google Voice number. A menu will pop up where you need to choose Delete. At this point, you will see a warning message reminding you that if your voicemail is currently being forwarded to Google Voice, you should switch it back to your phone's regular voicemail before continuing. After reading carefully, place a check mark in the box to confirm you understand the warning. Finally, tap Delete Number and your Google Voice account will be deleted immediately. This will remove your Google Voice number along with your all call history, voicemails, and messages linked to it. Now you know how to delete your Google Voice account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.